Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a simple, soft and sweet treat, Suji Mithai. It's rich, aromatic and perfect for any celebration. Let's start cooking. Take 1 cup of milk and add some saffron. In India, mithai is often made for festival and special occasion. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world. Mix well and let it boil. Always add saffron to warm milk to release its color and fragrance. Add 2 tablespoons of dry fruits. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it aside. In another pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add half cup suji and keep stirring. Suji, also called semolina, is used in both sweet and savory dishes worldwide. Roast on low heat until aromatic. Roast the suji on low heat to avoid burning and to bring out its aroma. Add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and roast for 4 to 5 minutes. Desiccated coconut adds both flavor and texture to traditional sweets. Stir continuously while roasting suji to prevent lumps. Now add the milk and dry fruit mixture to the roasted suji. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Suji is a good source of energy and easy to digest. Saffron has antioxidants that promote overall health. Grease a small katuri bowl with oil. Add a few dry fruits. Then fill with the suji mixture, press gently to shape, and your soft, delicious suji mithai is ready to enjoy. Grease the mold oil so the mithai comes out easily. Dry fruits are rich in vitamins and healthy fats. Coconut is a good source of fiber and minerals. And that's it, soft, fragrant and melt in the mouth suji mithai. Ready in minutes, a perfect treat for your loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy and tasty treats. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite festival sweet. Stay tuned, more delicious recipes are coming soon.